Okay, so I'm gonna give you a look at the BitFit Pro. I've been using this one for quite a while right now, and I like him very much. And I went for this one specifically over others because the fact that they are supposed to sit better in your ear. So this is not gonna be an unboxing. I'm just gonna show you how it comes and give you some thoughts on what I have experienced so far. So obviously you have a case just like this, and the case is gonna be chargeable, right? So it comes with a charger. You connect it right here, and it's gonna charge the case and also the ear pros in the inside. So I'm gonna open it up. This is kind of how it looks right there. You kind of get an idea how everything looks. Fits pretty well. It's not moving. It's not doing anything. It's just staying there in place. Kind of like a look in there. Just remove one, and then I'm gonna give you a quick look at one of them, just so you can have an idea. This is kind of how it looks, right? And you could get it in different colors. This one specifically is black and red, but you could go white, blue, and a bunch of other colors. So it does come with a couple different tips. Depends the size of your ear. You could replace those, and again, it's going to be depends your size. But the thing right here, this little thing right here, which is a little bit flexible, is supposed to wrap around your ear. You're going to see it right here, and it's supposed to allow this to stay in place. So essentially, you have an earbud that is going to stay in your ear and not going to fall, and it's going to be more secure. And that's one of the main reasons why I went this way. I was looking for something that would stay in my ear and wouldn't come out as easy as other setups out there, mainly because the kind of work that I do. So you may be able to do everything that you do with other earbuds. You could talk on the phone, you could listen to music, you're gonna have active noise cancellation, transparency mode. Is also able to work with the Apple H1 chip. So if you have an iPhone, you should be able to use Siri. It's gonna be sweat and water resistant as well. It's gonna have up to 6 hours of listening. And again, remember you have this case, so you can charge them again and continue to use them. So I'll tell you what, I've been using it for quite a while. They are very, very simple to use. Cancellation is fantastic. Obviously, the moment that I put it on, you can see it right there. It's going to connect to my cell phone, but also if I want to use it here on the computer, I could easily transfer it into the computer and use it with my computer. In fact, I was editing some videos and that's what I was using. So far, I've been using it for a while and I really like them.